In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pass the Stripe fees to your customer. If you use Stripe to invoice or charge customers and want to recoup processing costs, there are a few straightforward ways to do it. And I'll walk you through each option so you can pick what fits your workflow and compliance needs. Quick note before we begin, rules around surcharging or passing fees can vary by location, billing method, and card network. So double-check what's allowed in your region and be transparent with customers about any extra charge. The simplest approach inside the Stripe dashboard is to add a processing fee directly to an invoice. When you create or edit an invoice, add a new custom line item labeled Processing Fee. Enter either a flat amount or a percentage UV calculated based on your pricing and expected payment method. If you prefer to keep the fee separate from the subtotal, you can also use a custom field to clearly disclose the fee on the invoice header or footer. Use the description to explain what the charge covers, and decide whether that fee should be taxable according to your local rules. Before sending, preview the invoice to confirm the math and wording look right on desktop and mobile. If your workflow lives in an accounting or invoicing app, many third-party integrations can do the math for you. Tools like Xero or Invoice2Go include a pass-on fee or processing fee toggle. When enabled, the app will automatically calculate the surcharge based on your settings and add it to the total so you don't have to compute it manually each time. This is handy if you issue a lot of invoices or if your team needs a consistent, repeatable process across multiple users and currencies. For platforms built on Stripe Connect, you can collect an application fee on each transaction to cover your costs. Instead of modifying individual invoices, this method attaches your platform's fee to the underlying charge or payment flow. It's ideal when you facilitate payments between buyers and sellers and need your fee taken out automatically as money moves. As with the other options, make sure your pricing page, checkout, or agreement makes the fee clear to end users. Whichever path you choose, keep communication simple and upfront. Test the flow end to end, and document your policy so your team applies it the same way every time. Thanks for watching.